Jolly Belly, kedukan ke bapila ban yolut iki jingdon kam ki baman lakasni ki jongpi, badi ki marba mardi hakador ke baduna. Laru ban yo iki jhur ki jhep ki so ki pai, badi ki jaj do ba pher, ya ki balawan ra na keleng ke rilom khasi. Kat bapinang thi di ki jingdon kam ki jongpi, pilaru ban e shipor ki khunrit ki jongpi, hakajakai le kai ke balabu kerpang na ke benta jongki. One room shagadukan Jolly Belly, but me da ke jinkmen. Ya ki jingtep ki bakham nya laban yo da ka bapon ho number nyo not san nriu pra san nyo but kndai pra nriu lai not lai nriu. At a recent fire that ravaged the house of WANSUK CHALLAM at Lumchyrtoh village under UMMULONG block in the JAINTIA hills, 2 children lost their lives in the unfortunate incident. As efforts were on by residents of the area to douse the flames, yet nothing could be done as they were not equipped with proper gears to do so. Also, the delayed arrival of the fire services from UMMULONG that were later pressed into action stalled all possibilities of saving the 2 children who were trapped inside the house when the unfortunate incident had taken place. Following the event, the Seng Samla Lumchyrtoh village had appealed to the government for the setting up of a fire service sub-center in the village to enable timely service delivery to residents of the area, especially in the event of a fire or other such calamities that may occur from time to time.
Kamaman na iyang kayut na ni kanyang kachinong kajing tempat ni rubi dia sorkar siapa ko man lale ha yang kayong fire service department ma siapa ko mo bu kajing kerja sob sebentar yang fire service department po yang kachinong ulong kamong yung sukila ijan chinong jan thao deni wo kini kajing jia kami jia bul sen chemito man sunem da em kajing jia kami Kagani man go bi kajing ta deni kajing kanyang kachinong ni kanyang bi kachinong ma dari tri chendami kajing jia untuk kajing ai kajing yarap na kalian ke sorkar deni ke fire service department